When it comes to YouTube automation, the most difficult part is actually creating the content. It's not just the fact that all this content takes time, it's the fact that all this content takes a lot of money and take way more time than expected. Now, from my own personal experience, when it comes to running a YouTube automated channel, first of all, you need to subscribe to premium AI tools like 11 Labs for your voiceover, Google Flow, or Grok for your images, and then ChatGPT Premium to get premium scripts that are well detailed and will actually help you get good result. Now, when you combine these subscriptions alone, that is about $100 to $200. After paying all this subscription, next up is basically you still need to generate a script, generate over 6 to 100 images for all your scenes, one after the other, animate them one after the other, and then generate the voiceover for scene as well before you come and add every single thing in your video editor. This alone will take over 1 to 2 days before you to create a simple YouTube automated video. Now, the main purpose of this video is to actually buy you out of that stress that you've actually locked yourself into as a YouTube automator over the past few years since automation came in. Now, all you basically need is simply get your video title, give it to an AI, and then this AI makes a full AI documentary for you in less than a few minutes. So guys, now the AI I'll be using in this video is one of my favorite AIs when it comes to creating movie recap, and they are more than creating movie recap as they also make YouTube documentaries. Now, by the way, the name of this AI is actually ViralCade, in case you are new here. Now, in order to sign up to this AI, all you need to do is simply check the link that is available in this video description. Now, those of you who will be watching this video on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and the rest, you can actually check the link that's available in my bio, or just comment link and I'm going to send you the link to this AI tool so you can also start using it. Now, you can actually make your first video for 100% free, but apart from that, depending on the duration of that first video you make, the rest video is actually going to cost you some money. So now, back here, now once you are over here and you click on the new video section, then you come back to where it says documentary engine. Now, as I've said in my previous video, they have movie recap, the movie to short, the editing explainer. If you want to make any form of explainer video, they also have it here. Now, today's video will be focusing on the documentary engine. Now, in order for us to create this documentary, all we need to do is simply feed this AI our title. So now, the title of my video is basically, now I want to make a documentary about Amazon. So all I need to do is simply, I just have to say, now this is all I need to tell the AI, how Amazon was built. Now, once you give the AI this, now this doesn't even give you any reasonable or clear way to make a video. Well, that's where this other option comes in, where it says need a sharper title. Just click on it, and then this AI is actually going to give you different perspective of the same title. Now you see, with this, you can see that what we've bypassed into millions of AI tools out there, and we've also bypassed the part of actually creating a complete script, which might be extremely stressful. And also, we are also skipping the part of generating the images and then the videos, the voiceovers one after the other, as the AI is going to carry everything together. So now once you click on that, need a sharper title, now the AI will give you some suggestions, then you just have to pick from there. So now here is it. It said the bookstore that grew into an empire, surviving the dot-com crash and expanding, the secret cloud business that saved Amazon. Can any government actually break up Amazon? When Amazon invites its competitors onto its site, the truth about Amazon destroying small business. Now, you have so many videos about how Amazon was built. Now, in this situation, maybe any of these titles doesn't actually suit you. You can just click on it says need sharper title, and then they are still going to give you more ideas. So for example, let me just refresh it and then just click on that same thing again. Now I can just put the same title, then click on the sharper title, and then they are going to give me more options. Now you can see that it has given me different sets again. Now, when you are sourcing for these titles, they don't charge you any single credit. So don't be worried about your credit going or any single thing. You can actually go over this as many as you want till you get the exact title that you want. Now, for example, so I'm going to go for this, from garage to global Amazon beginnings. So this is the particular one that I'll go for. Now for this one, they say track Jeff Bezos starts in a Seattle garage. So I'm going to go with this particular title, and then I'll just click on it. So from garage to global Amazon begins. Now from here, don't click here to make 120 credit. Now if you are making with 120 credit, that means you are just getting 2 minutes of video. The first thing you need to do is simply come over here and then pick the appearance of the video you want. They have the dusty print, the vintage 8mm camera, and then the light leaks. For some reasons, I always like the vintage 8mm camera, so I'll just go with this, use this look. And then for the video duration, you can take it as high as you want. Now I'm just going to take this to about 8 minutes. That will take about 480 80 credits. And then for the voice, you can come over here and pick the voice that you actually want. So they have the Fable best for documentaries. Now, one thing I love is the fact that what they actually align them like this one, which is best for documentaries. And then from here, you can go and pick any other one that you think you actually want. So for this, let me just keep it at Liam. Let me go Liam. Let me play it to make sure it's a male voice.
In 1920, one man promised to double your money in
Yes, that is a male voice, so I will pick that. Now from here, the next thing is simply, you can actually skip this. You will not have this. I am also doing something else with their platform, so that's why I have the watermark option. But okay. Now from here, you can come over here to subtitles. I always advise that your documentary video have subtitles in it. So for here, subtitle size, I'll just reduce it a little bit. And then the position, let me take it a bit down. Okay. And then from here, you can upload, if you want to use background music, I just click here and then upload your own background music. And then they are going to do every single thing for you. Now, if you have your own other videos or images that you want to add, you can just click here and then add them. Now, in case you don't want to add them, just click on no, use ours, and then they are going to generate original ones for you. So from here, you just click on make documentary. So whilst we wait for this AI to actually finish up with our documentary, I just want to let you know that what, in case you are someone who is getting into content creation and then you don't want to go through the stress of actually building a channel from scratch, most especially right now that YouTube is actually it's actually saying that from February 2027, you will need about 8,000 watch hours and 2,000 subscribers as a minimum requirement to actually get monetized on YouTube, instead of the usual 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. This is the right time for you to actually start building your channel or buying an already monetized channel. So if you're interested in buying an already monetized YouTube channel, well, I have them available. You can actually contact me. Links available in the video description. Or you can just drop a message. I'm going to drop you my contact details as well. Or wherever social media platform that you're watching this on, you can actually reach out to me as well. And I also have Facebook pages and other platforms that I'm actually selling. So now back on our screen. So currently the progress is actually at 55%. So we just have to sit back and wait. You can see it's just 1 minute in already and 55% already done, because it's going to research your topic, write the documentary, direct the narration and the source footage, design your thumbnail, cut your short, and the final pass, because it's actually going to give you short videos as well, so that what you can use the short to promote the long videos. So guys, now you see, as simple as that, our video is ready.
In 1994, a 30-year-old banker saw a statistic about a new technology growing at 2,300% per year. That number changed how Jeff Bezos thought about the future of business. The technology was the internet, and almost no one was selling products on it yet. Bezos left his stable job at a Wall Street firm to build something of his own. He made a list of 20 possible products to sell online. Books seemed like the best choice because there were too many titles for any physical store to hold. In 1994, the largest book catalog in the world listed about 3 million titles. No bookstore could stock that many books, but a website could list them all. Bezos chose Seattle because it had experienced software engineers and a large book warehouse nearby. He rented a small house and set up his operation in the garage. In 1995, Amazon sold its very first book, a title about website design. The first days were slow, but orders started coming in from across the United States. Within 2 months, Amazon was selling to all 50 states and over 40.
Now, before I show you how you can download the video and the rest, let me actually show you how much this AI tool actually costs as compared to the other AI tools that you will subscribe to actually achieve this same goal. Now, take a look here. They have 3 plans majorly, but they have other sub plans that I can actually walk you through. Now, they have the $39 plan, which will give you 80 minutes worth of video. I mean, if you are creating 10-minute video, you'll be able to create 8 every single month. And if you are creating 8-minute video, you'll be able to create 10 every single month with this plan. And over here, they have the $120 plan. Now, with this $120 plan, you're actually going to get 300 minutes worth of video, meaning that if you are going to create 10-minute videos, you actually create, so here is 60 videos. With this one, you get 60 videos per month, 30 videos plus 30 free shorts. So you'll be able to create 10-minute video, 30 of it, and then get 30 free shots in addition as well. And then a free shot with every single video. Yeah, when you use your AI to create videos, you actually get 2 shots alongside it. And you can also create shots as well if you want shots. And over here, they have the final plan, which costs about $400. And this will give you 1,300 minutes words to actually create videos. And then the thing I love about this here is that when you use my link to actually sign up, so regardless of the platform you are actually creating your content or where you're actually watching this video on, when you use my link to sign up, you're actually going to get 20% off. Now with that 20%, you are no longer paying this original plan, but you're paying a discounted price when you use my link that's available in the video description in case you're watching on YouTube. If you're watching on any other platform except planet, if you're watching on any other platform, all you need to do is simply check the link in my bio or just comment the link, and I'm going to send the link over to your DM for you to actually sign up to it. So here is it. And in case you don't have the money to actually pay for it fully, well, you got maybe 2 or 3 people, instead of paying the $40 for this particular plan, when you get discount, with a discount it goes down obviously. You guys can also come together, just pay $40 each. If you pay $40 each for this plan for 3 people, that means that each of you get 100 minutes, which is 20 extra minutes, meaning you're getting 2 extra videos instead of when only you go for this particular plan here. So our advice, you go for this particular plan, 3 people come together, pay $40 each, and you go for this particular plan. And with my discount 20% off, that means you even get it way cheaper. And if you guys have extra money and you need way more loaded time, well, you can just come over here for this $3.99 plan. With this $3.99, $20% off as well, so you know the discount already. So guys, this is all I have for you in this video. Hope you find this video helpful, and there's no need to stress yourself over creating AI movie recaps anymore. Just do what I said. Use this AI to save yourself the stress, because you buy yourself enough time and also reduce how much you pay for subscription. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.